Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. So, baby, are you the one in Galaxy Tab?
What?
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Someone is also in waiting room. Who is this?
I don't know.
Hello? 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 Okay. So, how are you, Lynn?
I'm great. What about you?
You are my first student today. Hold on, who is that student? Because I don't have anyone. You are my one and only student this time. I don't know who is that. Okay. So before we start, did you eat your dinner or it's too early?
I eat my dinner early.
Oh, what is your dinner right now?
It's rice with soup and pork, I think.
Wow. Okay, Lynn. So our lesson for today is because we're done with the listening last time and also we're done with the speaking and reading. So right now we're going to have writing. So, Lynn, you know how to use the annotate here, right? Did you know how to use
What?
the annotate in our screen?
What? I can't do
Ah,
that.
okay. So if you cannot use the annotate, you can get a piece of paper to write your answer in the paper, okay?
Okay.
Paano?
So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask teacher, okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Beautiful.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Are you ready, Lynn?
Ready.
Jangan lang ako simple.
My mom said that you're beautiful.
Wow, thank you, mommy. Please say thank you, baby. Okay, let's start our lesson. Okay, again, as I have said earlier, you can write your answer in a sheet of paper because our test for today is writing. Okay, Lynn?
Okay, can you wait me a minute? I take paper and pen.
Okay, baby, do it. We're not yet we're not in a hurry. Let's take time.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, baby. Okay. I am looking if someone is trying to to get inside our meeting. I don't have any student. You are my one and only student at this moment. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, let me start it. Can you hear it, baby? Okay, welcome to our class. Okay, so our preliminary English test 6 writing test 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Eileen, our test for today is very easy for you because it has only 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. part 1, it has 5 questions. And you're going to complete the sentences to rewrite the 5 original sentences. So we call it sentence transformations. So there are 5 sentences or 5 questions that you're going to transform. Okay, this is very easy. The second part is one sentence, but one part, one question, but you're going to write between 35 to 45 words with communicative message like postcard, email, note. I think you're going to write something. Okay?
Okay.
And lastly, the part 3, it is 20 items. I think you're going to write about 100 words. You're going to write an informal letter or story. So for a total of 25 items. So are you ready?
Yes.
So we're going to take time today, okay? So part 1. So you're going to, here are some, let me read it for you. Here are questions 1 to 5. Here are some sentences about learning Italian. Bonjour. For each question, complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Use no more than 3 words. Write only the missing words on your answer sheet. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. If you don't understand the question, tell me, okay? So Daniel started the first question. I think this is just an example. Daniel started Italian classes 6 months ago. Daniel's had Italian classes. What do you think? 4.
Started. Oh, wait.
Daniel's had Italian
About,
classes.
I think, about the word
About
is
6 months or 4. We can say about or 4. Let's
yeah.
try it. 4. Okay. So that's it. You're going to write your answer in your paper. Okay.
Okay.
This is very easy. Are you ready?
Yes.
So this time you're going to read the first sentence and think about its meaning. So you're going to analyze the sentence first. Read the second sentence. Look at which words are repeated from the first sentence and which words are different. Okay.
Okay.
Look at the second sentence again and think about which phrases and structures could be used to complete it. And fourth, complete the second sentence using 1, 2, or 3 words. And lastly, read both sentences again. Check their meaning is the same. Check if their meaning is the same. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you 10 minutes to answer it, okay?
Okay.
7:04, I'll give you, we're going to answer that at 7:14, okay?
Finito.
What, baby? Finish?
Yeah.
Wow, very fast, huh? Okay. So let's try it. Number one, I reread it, and then you're going to read the answer with the sentence. Okay.
Okay.
After seeing an advertisement for Italian lessons, Daniel decided to go. So can you read your answer, Daniel?
Daniel seeing an advertisement for Italian lessons and then decided to go.
Okay, advertisement, baby, advertisement.
Advertisement.
Okay, let's try it here. So what's your answer, baby?
Is seeing, I think, because I'm not sure of that.
Yes, I think it's either saw or had seen. Okay, let's try it. Oh, saw or had seen. Both correct. Okay. Number two, there are 15 other students in his Italian class.
His Italian class has 15 other students in it.
Very good. That's also my answer. Has, okay, or has got. Daniel thinks that speaking Italian is easier than writing it.
Easy or easier because I don't know.
Daniel doesn't think that speaking is
Easy
is
or easier as writing.
easier, I think, or as easy as writing Italian. Daniel is comparing. Ah, okay. Hold on. Daniel doesn't think that speaking. Ah, baby. Yes, difficult or hard because the word is doesn't. So it is opposite of easy. Hard, okay?
Okay.
So can you read it, baby? Daniel doesn't think that speaking is so difficult as writing Italian.
I need to speak what?
Daniel, number three, baby.
Daniel doesn't think that speaking is hard as writing Italian.
Okay, number four. Daniel's teacher is Italian and her name is Chiara Paolozzi. Paolozzi.
Daniel's teacher is Italian and she's named Chiara Palazzi.
And she's having name or she's
Name.
called. She's called, baby. Oh, she's name. Okay, that's also correct. Okay. Number five, the students are given 2 hours of homework each week.
Each week, Chiara takes the students 2 hours of homework.
Each week, Kiara gives gives, baby. Look at the verb, baby. The word is given, so it should be gives. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So when we are using as plus adjective plus as, can you read it?
Using as plus adjective as is used compare people, places, events, or things. When there is no difference, it is used to compare things that are of similar proportion. Example sentences. Samuel is as intelligent as Mark.
Okay.
My father just as handsome as his son. My hair is not quite as fair as my sister's hair.
Okay.
The weather this winter is as bad as last year. He is as tall as his sister. Mark is as
Is as optimistic.
optimistic as Samuel.
Okay, optimistic means positive. Okay, so this
Okay.
is how are we going to use as adjective as. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, next is the passive voice. The one that the one that you do a while ago, baby. We read the sentence and then we translate it into another sentence. That sentence is called passive voice. Can you read it, baby? The
Of
passive
the passive voice. Uh, a passive sentence consists of the subject, the verb to be in the correct tense, the past participle of the verb need. Sometimes the agent and or are other complements. Subject plus verb plus to be plus
past
past
participle.
participle. The novel was read by mom in one day. The film wasn't liked by no one. The windows had been broken.
Yes. Okay, look, baby. Look at the sentence. The novel was read by mom in one day. The film wasn't liked. The windows had been broken. So they are all in past participle. Okay? Do you have any questions with this, baby?
Nope.
Very easy. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the part 2, question 6. You have spent the weekend staying with some English friends. Write a card to them. In your card, you should thank your friends for the weekend. You should say what you enjoyed most about the weekend. You should invite them to stay with you. You're going to write 35 to 45 words on your answer sheet, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And you can write, you can send it later in our Zalo group. You know our Zalo group, baby?
Yep.
That I can see the words that you put or the words that you write, okay?
Okay.
So I'll give you 10 minutes again, okay?
Right. Okay. Wait me.
Yeah, of course, baby. Of course I will wait.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so can you read it first, baby, and then later you can send it to me, okay?
Okay.
So you're going, the card should have three three things, or your letter to your friends should be, you have to thank your friends for the weekend. You're going to say what you enjoyed most about the weekend, and of course you're going to invite them to stay with you. Okay, can you read it to me, baby Lynn?
I write it 61 words.
Wow, you count them all. Okay. Can you read it, baby? And then later after the class you can take pictures of take picture of that and then send it to Zalo, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read it, baby? I will listen.
Dear my friends, hello, thanks for the weekend. I'm very happy when I went to the skate park with you. Uh, I had a lot of scratches, but it was okay. We, I remember that we ate at the luxury restaurant. We ate hot and spicy food. That's all my favorite, and I want you, I want to invite you to come to my house to play and sleep.
Wow.
We will,
Luxury restaurant. Wow.
yeah.
Wow,
And
delicious. Very good, baby. You can able to describe the restaurant. Very good. That's so nice. And all of the three words are there. All of the three categories are there. Good job. I just want to look at them later, okay?
okay.
Thank you for that, Lynn. Next, do you have any questions?
Oh,
Okay. So next is, you're really very good in so my feedback there is very good attempt at the task. You really did a great job with that, okay? So look at the example. Can you read it? Hi guys.
hi guys. I write to thank you for a brilliant time last weekend. The computer game is the best. I am happy to be champion of the weekend. Come to my house next time for a few contests. Philip.
Wow. Oh, you forget your name. Put it later, okay?
Oh, I put that.
Okay, so baby, you can send that to me later in Zalo. I am very, uh, I will be very happy to read it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's proceed to part three. This time, baby, you're going to write an answer to one of the questions 7 or 8 in this part. Write your answer in about 100 words, baby, on your answer sheet. Mark the question number in the box at the top of your answer sheet. Ready?
Ready? Yes.
Okay. Hold on.
What is the topic?
Yeah. What is the topic here? Write an answer to one of the questions 7 or 8 in this part. Write your answer in about, what is the topic? Hold on, baby. It's not yet. It's not set. It's not yet. I did not. I did not get it, baby. Did you? So question 7. This is a part of a letter you received from English friend. So this is a letter, and I think you're going to answer the letter, baby.
Oh,
So can you read it, baby? I've just seen a brilliant program.
I've just seen a brilliant program about dolphins on television. Which program have you enjoyed recently? How much television do you watch?
Okay. So I've just seen a brilliant program about dolphins on television. Which programs have you enjoyed recently? How much television do you watch? So you're going to answer that question with a letter. You're going to write it in a letter. You're going to answer that question. Write your letter on your answer sheet. 100 words, baby. Okay?
Okay, is normal because I have this test every.
Ah, really? Okay, baby, 10 minutes. I'll give you.
Okay, wait me.
Of course. That's why you're very good, baby. Because you write, you can write very well because you keep on doing this. If you keep doing this, it's very, you will be very good in writing and speaking in English.
Teacher, I like I cannot like I cannot understand the question. Which programs have you enjoyed recently?
I think
The
uh,
programs that
the TV show that you like to watch. Which
okay.
program?
But I never watch TV. I just watch YouTube.
Ah, yeah. What program in YouTube that you're watching or that you have watched that you like?
Can I say that my favorite film?
Yes, 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 baby. As long as you will answer the question and uh, how much YouTube do you watch every day?
Hmm. Teacher, how to spell the program?
Baby, there you go. Hi. Hold on, baby. How come? Hold on, baby. Why is it it's running out of time? Hold on, baby. Hold on. I will ask the pantado. Why is it like this? Hold on, baby. I will send it to Salo. Continue, baby.
But I forget to spell program.
Maybe this is the program. Look, program. The program that you like to watch.
No, that's how to spelling.
This one, baby. It is written on the on in.
But when I spell in word, it say that is wrong.
Ah, it's okay, baby. Hold on, baby. Lean. 2008. 208. This is you, baby, right?
What?
This is you, right?
Where?
This one. You are, this is you. Hold on, I will send it to Miss Kawai. Ah, we are having class. CK 2. 2008051. 2008051. Continue, baby. I am reporting it to Miss Hawaii.
Teacher, the favorite program that we can say that the film.
Okay, yes. Or the favorite movie that I keep on watching is baby. When we lost connection, try to go back, okay?
Okay.
Let's just wait for it to expire.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, can you try to read it, baby?
Yes. Uh, I just guessed the name, so it's Annie. And dear Annie, thanks for your letter. I love dolphin programs too because dolphin is the animal that I love. I don't usually watch it television because I don't know how to find it, so I watch it in YouTube. I love the film named Money Heist. I keep watching it in 1 month. I just watch it in 1 month because it need to do the new part is the part 5. I am waiting, so I'm excited. The film is about the band that go to the bank and take money, and they run by the cave that they make in the bank. It is Spanish. I can know a little bit words in Spanish because I study it. I watch television twice a week. I need to study and have a test, so I just sometimes. Thanks for asking. My link.
Okay. You're very good, baby. How did you learn that?
Learn what?
That, that, actually, Lynn, you know how to speak English well. You know how to write English letters well, and the listening skills. So you just let's try to keep on learning, okay? So
Okay.
baby, after this, let's rejoin, okay?
Okay.
Because after this, it takes 3 minutes because it will convert first. I cannot get inside the Zalo, the Zoom as long as it's not yet finished the conversion. I will message you in Zalo if you can get inside, okay? So let's go. Let's rejoin, okay?
Okay. Wait me to like
Okay, baby, I will wait. Let's go.
finish.
Okay.